Alright, hey guys, it's TJ and I'm super excited for today. So as you might have seen from a video I uploaded a little while ago, I got a GTX 980Ti. But then, as you saw in the video, it wouldn't fit into my computer. Basically, I bought a 980Ti and it wouldn't fit at all or anything like that. So we ordered a brand new computer case and that is arriving today. I'm super excited. I'm going to show it to you guys because it looks amazing and I can finally use the 980Ti that I've wanted for so long. If you want to watch my video on the whole 980Ti thing, a little eye will pop up here or here if I remember to actually add it, and there will be a link in the description if I actually remember to add that too. But basically the 980Ti is going to change everything about my videos. So basically the 980Ti is going to make the quality of my videos overall better because I'm going to be able to upload more consistently because the render times will be better. I'm going to have better graphics and be able to edit more efficiently. Everything is just going to be easier and better with the 980Ti, and now that the case is coming I can finally use it. I mean, right now I'm gaming on this thing. I know my cable management is... Anyway, yeah, so I'm gaming on this right now. The other one is kind of similar looking, but it's much bigger, can fit much more, and it seems perfect for what I want. So yeah, I guess I'll see you guys when it arrives. Your boy FedEx is here though. So excited. Alright, I'll be right back, Dante. Alright, so me and Dante were just chilling in TeamSpeak, and I didn't expect it to get here until later on in the day, and then the dude just drops it off right now, and I was like, FedEx, oh my god! And then he was like carrying the package and looked over at me and looked terrified, because he just heard me scream, oh my god! Because I got a little bit excited. This thing is huge, oh my god! Look at this thing. Wow. It's just oh god. I just broke my camera. Okay, so I just fell down the stairs while I was carrying it. It slammed my my camera, but I think it's okay. Oh god, but look at this thing, guys. That's not holy. That is a very large case. Like, it's huge. Alright, let me go get a knife and we can unbox this bad boy. Alright, let's go. Hopefully it didn't break because, as you can see, it says, it's fragile, so... Oh, that's not good. Alright. Whoa, god, this thing looks sick. Now, how do we get this thing out of here? God, this thing is tough to unbox. Come on, man. It won't come out. There we go. Alright, here it is. This thing is way bigger than I expected it to be. This thing, guys, whoa. What? I don't know what I'm doing, guys. This is, just a little bit out of my league. Oh man, this thing looks sick, though. This is the coolest thing! Oh, frick. Something's rolling around in there, so I probably shouldn't. There we go. Okay, I got this screw out. That's why I couldn't open it. Nothing like using a knife as a screwdriver, am I right? God, guys, I think I got the screw stuck. One second, guys, let me go grab a screwdriver. Guys, I'm so excited that it's here. Unfortunately, I can't actually do anything with it. Like, I can't put any of my parts in it. That sounds really weird. But anyway, I can't put any of my computer parts in there until my parents get home because I don't know how to do that stuff. And my mom does, so I can't actually use it until she gets home from work, but when she does, we can put all the nice components in there and it'll be awesome. So let's hope that this screwdriver helps. There we go, boys, we got it out. No! God, I'm such a clumsy person. Alright, well, I guess I'll just leave this here. I don't know if you guys could see that on camera, but my green screen completely just fell and I like ninja caught. Anyway. Alright, wow, that's a lot of wires. I don't want to mess with this stuff. It's a lot of wires here. Yeah, I think we're gonna wait. I'm gonna wait on doing anything with it because there's a lot of wires in there that I don't want to mess up or do anything with. But anyway, look at this thing. Look at this thing. It looks sick. What goes here? Oh. Oh. This is so cool. That's what happened to my green screen. Okay, we gotta make sure. Okay, how do I clip this thing back in? So you got this. Woo. And then you got the USBs here. You got two 3.0 USBs, 4 normal USBs. You got H and L. I don't know what the switch here means, the H and L. That's the power switch! This is the coolest! And what is it? It's like the restart button. What is that? What does this do? Like, I know there's something in there. I don't know what goes in there, but it's something cool. And then if it gets too hot, it opens all the vents. Look at this. And it opens all the vents. This is the coolest thing. Back here is where all the output, graphics card, all that stuff will be. Dang, this thing is cool though. And then on this side, we have a window where you'll be able to see all the computer parts and it'll be lit up with a blue LED light. And it'll be super cool. So, but yeah, I guess I'm just gonna let this bad boy sit here for a bit. And yeah, I'll resume the vlog when my parents get home and we start installing all the parts. I'm super excited. Should be super cool. Yeah. Alright, so my mom is home. She can't install it yet, but in order to prepare for the installing, I uninstalled the graphics driver on my computer, and now I have to unplug everything and fix this mess of wires. So I guess that's a positive, but yeah. So I'm not gonna go through this alone. You guys are gonna have to watch me do it at like 500 times speed or something, but yeah. Alright, so there's all that done. I mean, I had like a pair of speakers that I didn't even use and I kind of forgot about. It's time to retire this. I'm gonna miss you. You've been here since I was at like 30 subscribers or something. I love you. But it's time to upgrade to this bad boy. It looks like the Batmobile. I feel like we should name it something. I mean, just look at it. How could you not name something this magnificent? Like, freaking, we gotta name it the Bat Computer. Or, the Eagle Computer. Or, I don't know. Comment some cool names in the comments if you're actually still watching, which I don't think anyone is still watching. But, you know, this looks like something Batman would have, or like, maybe like a car Satan would have. I don't know, man. The Satan Mobile. I'm not gonna name my computer the Satan Mobile. But yeah, it's time to move everything from this case over to this case. God, look at the size comparison. Man. My God, the size comparison is crazy. But anyway, I'll see you guys when we're about to install it. Alright, so change of plans. I have to bring these two things upstairs. I beats me why, but my mom wants these to be upstairs, I guess, so that we can use the table instead of the ground. And she has a broken ankle, so it kind of makes sense. But yeah, so I'm gonna bring these upstairs. Okay guys, we have no idea what we're doing, but I'm down here to take the 980 Ti off of its shelf. Are you still recording? can't see anything.
Alright, where's this thing going?
Right where my old computer was.
Woo! The fact that you can like see inside of it and everything is super cool. Can't really see it on video, but you can when we plug it in.
I'm so scared as to what's gonna happen, but go ahead.
I heard like.
Is there a power going to it?
Yeah, there's power going to it.
It's a good sign it didn't explode.
I think that's always a good sign. I think I might only be able to use one monitor.
Why?
Because the cable I use for my other monitor
Yeah.
is, it's not fitting. Wait, why don't I just do this? No. It's not gonna fit. Alright, we'll use this other USB. God dang it. Going back to one monitor. What?
This?
This. About to press the power switch. The fans didn't light up, nothing lit up, so the LED part not working. Okay, LEDs don't work. But monitor doesn't have.
Is it turned on?
It's definitely not like a picture.
Oh, you got power.
Don't record me, record. Okay, so unfortunately the LED lights aren't working. Okay, neither is the computer. Alright. What do you mean no?
Oh, no signal.
Technical difficulties. Alright, so it's a week later from that initial incident. Since then, what's happened? So, Metamorphics helped me, hook up the computer so I would actually turn on and stuff. Unfortunately, we couldn't get the graphics card to work, so then I sent it to my uncle, who's like a professional. He built my computer originally, and he builds a lot of computers. He got it all fixed, so his wife handed it off to us, and unfortunately, she forgot to bring the cord. So I have the computer, it's all here, I just can't use it, because there's no power, and, so yeah, we're going to pick up the cord today, so I'm super hyped for that because I can finally use my computer after like this 2-week process of just trying to get a 980 Ti. I mean, I'm half expecting it to just explode when I turn it on because it's just one problem after the next after the next. She had it in her trunk and the static electricity could have killed it, so maybe it'll just never turn on when I plug it in, but I'm gonna hope that everything just works out okay because I just want to use my computer. I want to get back to making videos, so hopefully it'll turn on soon and hopefully everything's alright. But look at this. Everything is, you can't really see in there, can you? Let me get like light on. Everything's hooked up fine in there. It's beautiful. Hi. Everything's hooked up fine. You can see the 980 Ti there. Everything's hooked up fine. So what I'm gonna do is connect all the USBs, all the monitors, everything that I could possibly need. So that all I have to do is come home, connect the power cord, and turn it on. So yeah, I guess I'll see you guys when we have the power cord and everything's hooked up. Alright guys, so I'm finally home. Here it is, we got the cord. And it is, it's the moment of truth to see if it works. Let me plug this in real quick. I have everything connected, the USBs, the screens, everything should be connected. So now we just gotta hope that it doesn't explode when I plug it in, so. Alright, it's in. Ow. Is it bad that I'm actually kind of Scared? Alright, because if this doesn't work, alright, here we go. Pressing the button. Here we go, boys. Look, it's lighting up. Everything's lighting up. Oh my god, oh my god. Oh, that's on. What about that one? Please? It's okay. Alright, as long as that one turns on. Okay. Look at the USBs. Boom. It's on, boys, and you got the lightning in there. You got the USBs on the side. Oh my god. It's starting Windows, boys. It works. Yes. Wait, do I have to turn? No, it's on. I'll do a setup tour for 500 subscribers. But just look at it, guys. It's actually on. Oh. Oh. Hello? Hello? Guys, it lost signal. What? 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 No. No. What? Everything's on. But, oh, it came up on that monitor. We good, boys. Let's go. I know I'm a little too hyped, but the computer, it's finally working after weeks and weeks of just nothing but problems. Come on, just give me that little hope. Oh, freak, that's not good. That's not a good thing. But that is. Yes. We good, boys. Alright, guys, it works. I'm gonna go play on it now. I'm so excited I can finally use it. Let's go.